Electrical contractor can, if possible, give a very high level of how much it costs to get rid of the knob and tubing and make it all modernized. And the second part is water heater boilers, natural gas are moving out, and regular water, a heat pump water heater is moving in. So the question is, how much, or is it able to run big fat wires to the location of the current boiler water heater to see if that's doable, and also get back to the owner to see if their water heater was to go in the future, are they grandfathered into allowing them to add another water heater, natural gas, or are they forced to move to heat pump? Ultimately, I told the owner of this unit that solar is the goal, and if you want solar, having modernized main panels and everything else will make everything easier, because solar panel batteries are dropping in price, and EV chargers are probably going to be the wave of the future in this parking lot. And again, the heat pump for the water boiler. And so these are the things that we talked about today. And I will do some research and get back to the owner.